Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
How you can become representative of Krishna? That is explained by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Amar ajnaye guru haiya taro yai desh. Jare jako tare kaha Krishna. If you simply speak what Krishna says, then you become his representative. Don't manufacture. Don't be over-prudent, manufacturing. Simply to follow Krishna and his representative, then you become Mahajana. Otherwise you are nonsense. Mudha. Lamang duskitinam mudha prapaddante narad. That is the test. One should be very, very careful to follow Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never said that I am directly servant of Krishna. No. Gopi bhattu padakamalyo dasa 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 dasanu dasa. Servant of the servant of the servant of the. The more you become servant of the servant, you are perfect. And as soon as you declare independence, you are rascal. This is the problem. We should always remain most obedient servant of my master. Jasya devi parabhakti jatha devi tatha guru. Tasyaite katita jhatya pakashante mahatmana. Then it will reveal. The whole thing is revelation. It is not by experience, by scholarship. No, revelation. Jijathamang prapaddante. One who has surrendered proportionately, God reveals. Jijathamang prapaddante. Tan tathaiva bhajami. So, there is no difficulty to understand what is God. He is Krishna, the Supreme Lord. Directly. I do not know why people are searching after God, why they do not know what is God. Let's see. That means mura. Although God is here, still he will not accept. That is mura. Naradhama. And why is mura? Because naradhama. He does not take the process. He wants to manufacture something. Don't do that. Here, Arjuna is Mahajana. He is Krishna's friend. He is always with Krishna. And Krishna recognizes him. Not that because one is always with Krishna, therefore he knows Krishna. No, that is not possible. Just like I have given this example many times. That I am sitting here and the bug is also sitting here. That does not mean we are very confidential. No, bug is different business and my business different. And bug business is biting. That kind of association will not help. Association means to develop love for the person. That is association. Dadati pratijinnati gujjamakhati prichhati cha mungti bhojayati chaiva sarabhida priti lakshana.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,